The new Developer Console provides you with the tools you need to test your skill before releasing it into the wild. First, toggle testing on for the skill. You can toggle the Input-Output, or I/O, Show Display, and Device Log on or off to see more detail. Echo Show Display shows how your skills will be rendered on an Echo Show screen, so you can develop skills without owning one. Use the test simulator to test out utterances. You can type them in or hold the microphone button down and speak to Alexa the same way you would with any Alexa device. Open Pet Match.
Welcome to Pet Match. I can help you find the best dog for you. What are 2 things you are looking for in a dog?
I want a guard dog that's high energy.
What size of a dog would you like?
As you test, you'll uncover things you might want to change about your skill. Remember that this is an iterative process. Click back to Build and make adjustments. Entity resolution and dialogue management are now fully supported. Entity resolution allows you to map synonyms to your custom slot values. If Alexa says, "What size dog are you looking for?" and the user responds, "Huge," Entity resolution will figure out that huge means large, and the test simulator will include these resolutions in the response. Some of the built-in slots like Amazon.animal can be extended with your own custom slot values. You can even add synonyms. You can select Alexa's response bubbles to examine the JSON input and output. If you'd prefer to type JSON directly, click over to the Manual JSON tab. Note that you can also select different endpoints that you've provided in the Build section. When designing for voice, you need to design for the ear. The Voice and Tone Test window will allow you to test on demand how Alexa will speak the text you enter. You can use Speech Synthesis Markup Language, SSML, to add some personality to your skill.
Okay, your joke is coming in. 3, 2, 1. What's black, white, and red all over? A newspaper. Get it? Red all over. READ. Ha! I crack me up.
Test your skill thoroughly by trying utterances for each of the intents you built. Want to add more utterances or intents to your skill? You can jump straight back to the Build tab and revise your design. When testing is complete, it's time to launch. Check out our launch video to learn more.